So I'm with ACBT Training in London with Joe, who runs the outfit. And Joe is actually starting a new course, which is in reaction to the London Metropolitan Police actually deciding to chop BikeSafe.
Yeah.
So Joe, can you explain a little bit about what it is that you're offering and why you've taken this decision to do this?
A few months ago we had a discussion where we announced that the police were disbanding the BikeSafe team, they were stopping BikeSafe.
It's probably one of the worst decisions the Met Police could have possibly made for motorcycling in the capital.
This is outrageous. This is such a bad move for London's motorcyclists, despite the fact that apparently the future of BikeSafe was assured, as we were told.
So basically what we're saying here is that the future of BikeSafe is definitely secure and it's got a bright future, is that right?
Yeah, it has. It has got a bright future. It is now secure. We've got the necessary funding, really good management in place with UK Roads, really good engagement with police forces now, so we can hopefully increase the skills support that we can give to riders from across the country and hopefully bring those motorcycle casualties down.
And of course for London's motorcyclists it was a massive shame because it's the only road safety initiative that we had access to as London motorcyclists. With that gone, there is a void now. How do we encourage people to take up advanced riding and become better, safer riders if we haven't got the introductory process there to show them this is what it's all about? Let's continue to offer the course in the same way. We call it BikeSafe London. And it's going to be delivered in exactly the same way. You're still going to have the road safety presentation beforehand, the road safety briefing, and then one of these two other officers that were in that team are then going to take you out and sharpen up your skills on the road.
I think it's important that you've got actually two former police officers who were delivering BikeSafe, actually delivering this course for you, haven't you?
That's right. So the two guys were part of the BikeSafe team, and we are going to be running the course in exactly the same way. They're going to do it exactly the same as they did in the past. We understand that to encourage people to do something like this, there needs to be a carrot on the end of a stick in some way. So there are incentives that we are offering as part of the course. We have support from Triumph London, from Lexham Insurance, your good selves at Motorcycle Action Group, and through which you can then also, as a rider, as a member of MAG, you can access other services that benefit you in the long term. When you completed the course, you got feedback notes from the officer. Those were the points that you then went off and you could work on your own to improve your own skills and technique. You then got a certificate which you presented then to your insurance company. If it's Lexham, they will agree to give you a discount. Yourselves as well, Triumph have their own system in place where they're going to, the idea is to encourage more people to ride Triumphs. All this is basically because, as we all know, insurance costs in London are prohibitive to many people. It is extremely expensive to insure a motorcycle. People will say, well, how much does it cost? Well, we're not subsidised by TfL, so unfortunately we can't run the course. We have very real costs. However, we've kept the costs as low as possible to allow people still access to that course. And we're not running it as a profit. We're just running it because we believe this course should be in place. And hopefully we can increase the safety level of trainees. The Metropolitan Police ran 900 courses in the last year or something like that. Well, I doubt we're going to be running 900 courses. We're not that big, but we are going to be running as many as we can. And anybody that passes the test with us, we're going to recommend it. It's not just open to our customers; it's open to everybody. If you're on a motorcycle in London, you pass your test, and you want to increase your skills, give us a call.
For the viewers who are interested in taking up this course, can you give us the details? Is there a website? How do you book yourself on a course?
The dedicated BikeSafe London website is shortly due to go live. However, it's already live on our own website, www.acbt.london. Just literally look for courses. In fact, on the opening page, there's already a link with the BikeSafe badge. Just click on that and book your course. That's all you've got to do.
Excellent. And obviously from a MAG perspective, it's not just because you're a corporate member of MAG, we're supporting this fully because we believe this is the right thing to do. It's extremely depressing that we have to do it.
I know.
But at least it shows that, and again, it shows this entire safety culture within motorcycling. We actually want to be safe.